Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you how to change battery in this phone Gigaset M2 Professional. Gigaset M2 Professional. So if you want to change the battery, you can see here is the special imbus screw, so you need a key. And first of all you need to turn off, so keeping this button and turn off, then just turn to other side and you have a special key and take out the screw. Okay, now you can see here or here and open. See the dust. Need the queen. Special cover, and here you can see the lithium Gigaset battery. Now just to open this, so I take another one. Another one screw. Now you can see that it is made in Germany, and here is the exact number. Here is the connector for the battery, and here is place for the card. Okay, so it can take another one battery, and of course return back. You can see here pins. Return back like this. Okay. Return back cover. Okay. Now battery. Okay, and turn on. So thank you for the watching.